In the bustling world of small business and project management, keeping a tight grip on finances is not just a good idea, it's absolutely essential. From tracking income and expenses to sending out invoices and managing payroll, robust accounting software can be the difference between chaotic spreadsheets and clear financial visibility. Two prominent players in this space are Xero and FreshBooks, both offering cloud-based solutions to simplify financial tasks. But while they share the common goal of helping businesses manage their money, they cater to slightly different audiences and offer distinct strengths. As a project management expert, I often see businesses struggling to choose the right financial tools. The key isn't just about features, but about aligning the software with your operational needs, team structure, and overall business complexity. Let's break down the differences between Xero and FreshBooks to help you make an informed decision. The core philosophies. Who are they for? This is perhaps the most crucial distinction. FreshBooks, the invoicing and freelancer champion. FreshBooks is primarily designed for freelancers, solo entrepreneurs, and small service-based businesses. Its roots are firmly in invoicing and time tracking, making it exceptionally user-friendly for those whose main financial tasks revolve around billing clients for services rendered. Ease of use. FreshBooks prides itself on its intuitive interface. It's built for individuals who might not have a deep accounting background but need a straightforward way to create professional invoices, track billable hours, and manage basic expenses. The learning curve is gentle, allowing users to get up and running quickly. Invoicing prowess. This is where FreshBooks truly shines. It offers highly customizable invoice templates, automated recurring invoices, late payment reminders, and seamless online payment options. For a consultant, designer, or developer who sends out numerous invoices, FreshBooks streamlines this critical process. Time tracking. Integrated time tracking is a core feature, allowing users to accurately log hours spent on projects and easily convert those hours into billable invoices. This is invaluable for anyone charging by the hour or by project. Client-centric. FreshBooks is very client-focused. It helps you manage client information, track communication, and understand the profitability of individual client projects. Project tracking. Basic while not a full-fledged project management tool in the vein of Basecamp or ClickUp, FreshBooks does offer basic project tracking to help you see the profitability of individual projects by linking expenses and time spent. Xero, the comprehensive accounting powerhouse. Xero, on the other hand, is a more robust, full-featured accounting software suitable for growing small to medium-sized businesses, SMBs, with more complex accounting needs. It offers a broader range of traditional accounting functionalities. Double-entry accounting. Xero is a true double-entry accounting system, providing a comprehensive general ledger, chart of accounts, and detailed financial reports like balance sheets and profit and loss statements. This is crucial for businesses that need a deeper understanding of their financial health and for proper tax compliance. Bank reconciliation. Xero excels at automated bank feeds and reconciliation. It connects directly to thousands of banks globally, automatically importing transactions and making it incredibly efficient to match bank statements with your accounting records. This saves significant time and reduces manual errors. Accounts payable and receivable. Xero offers more robust features for managing both money coming in, accounts receivable, and money going out, accounts payable, including bill management, purchase orders, and payment scheduling. Payroll integration. While often an add-on, Xero provides seamless integration with payroll services, allowing businesses to manage employee payments, deductions, and tax filings directly within the system. Multi-currency support. For businesses dealing with international clients or suppliers, Xero's multi-currency functionality is a major advantage, allowing transactions in various currencies with automatic exchange rate updates. Extensive integrations. Xero boasts a vast marketplace of over 1,000 third-party integrations, covering everything from CRM systems and e-commerce platforms to payment gateways and inventory management tools. This makes it highly scalable and adaptable to a wide range of business needs. Key feature comparisons. Let's look at some critical areas. Invoicing. Both offer invoicing, but FreshBooks' strength is its simplicity and speed for service-based invoicing. Xero's invoicing is comprehensive but part of a larger accounting ecosystem. Expense tracking. Both allow expense tracking. FreshBooks excels with mobile receipt scanning and easy categorization for individual contractors. Xero offers more advanced features for managing bills and integrating with tools like HubDoc for automated data capture. Time tracking. FreshBooks has time tracking built into all plans and is very user-friendly for billing. Xero offers project tracking, which includes time tracking, but it's typically found in higher tier plans or as an add-on. Users. Xero generally allows for unlimited users on all plans, making it cost-effective for growing teams. FreshBooks limits users per plan, with additional users incurring extra monthly fees. Reporting. Xero provides a much more extensive suite of financial reports, 80+ detailed reports, offering deeper insights into business performance. FreshBooks offers essential reports, P&L, invoice details, but its reporting is less comprehensive. Scalability. Xero is designed to scale with a growing business, offering more complex accounting features and a vast integration ecosystem. FreshBooks is excellent for its target audience but might become limiting as a business grows into more complex financial operations. Pricing. Pricing varies by plan and features, but FreshBooks entry-level plans tend to be slightly more affordable for single users or very small teams, reflecting its focus on freelancers. Xero's plans start similarly but scale up for more advanced features. However, Xero's unlimited users often make it more cost-effective for teams with multiple financial stakeholders.